You know that feeling when you're stuck using apps that just don't work for your job? That's exactly where Riff comes into play. No more brittle prototypes, endless debugging, or projects that never launch. Just tools that actually get work done, especially in a professional setting. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, I'll walk you through Riff AI, the first business-ready professional vibe coding platform. This is for people who want to create powerful AI tools that help them get more done at work across marketing, sales, finance, ops, you name it. From signing in to building your first app and seeing it in action, I'll show you how to create AI-powered tools that save time, work smarter, and actually ship. Riff comes with proven starter templates and native integrations with platforms like HubSpot, Notion, and QuickBooks. It also features the unique plan cards that guide your build step by step, making it simple to turn any idea into reality. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Without further ado, let's dive in. My friends, when you work with content, you probably know this problem. Your data is scattered across platforms, Facebook Analytics, YouTube Studio, and LinkedIn Stats. To understand what's working and what's not, you have to manually collect numbers in spreadsheets, build charts, and look for patterns. It takes hours every week. Riff builds your own app that gathers all your metrics in one place. It analyzes which topics perform best, suggests the best posting times, and generates actionable insights. This isn't just another website builder or a simple chatbot. It's a platform for creating real business-ready products you can launch today. So what makes Riff different? Here we are on its homepage. Everything starts with a simple text field. The platform works on a vibe coding principle. You just describe in your own words what you want to create, and the AI transforms it into a fully functional app. I'm going to type our request and click Create. We're building a content performance dashboard that analyzes social media posts. Next, it asks where to pull the data from. You can connect social media APIs, upload a CSV file, or use demo data. For now, I'll select Use Sample Data, which allows us to see results quickly. Later, you can connect your real social media accounts. Guys, once we do that, the tool generates a detailed plan card automatically. In the Core Features section, it lists exactly what our dashboard will do. First, it provides an overview of engagement metrics. You can see likes, comments, and shares at a glance. It also shows reach as well as the calculated engagement rate. Next, it analyzes top-performing content by format and hashtags, and then gives recommendations for the best posting times based on historical statistics. The platform provides AI-powered insights that analyze trends and suggest concrete actions. Finally, it includes interactive graphs with filters for dates, platforms, and content types. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Scrolling down, we see integration. Here's the sample social media dataset and the OpenAI API for analysis. There's also a Share Plan button, which lets your team comment or continue building from the plan. Something unique to Riff. If we like the plan, we click Build Project. If not, we can refine it. The platform asks a few questions to improve the plan, then we're ready to go. Folks, now comes Setup. A short onboarding form appears. Riff wants to know you better to personalize your experience. This helps the tool provide tailored support and recommendations based on your needs. And here it is, our ready-made app. It was automatically named Social Brain AI, a social media analyst, and we got it in just a few minutes. At the top, AI-powered insights show what the artificial intelligence has analyzed. Peak engagement is from 6 to 9 p.m., with posts performing 23% better in this window. Video and Reels generate 34% more engagement than static images. Trending topics like lifestyle content have grown 41% this week. It recommends posting more in these categories. Below, 4 key metrics are displayed: total reach, total engagement, average engagement rate, and posts published in the last 7 days. Engagement trends are shown in interactive graphs, highlighting clear growth. On the right, platform distribution shows how your content spreads across Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. At the bottom, optimal posting time and best performing content give clear analytics for each post, showing what works best, on which platforms, and in which formats. Guys, now here's the unique part. Riff doesn't just create an app and leave you alone. The What's Ready section shows completed elements, while tasks ready to work on lists next steps for improving your app. It even suggests which task to start first, like making sure your API is connected before generating AI insights. It's like having a mentor guiding you through the entire development process. Finally, we can click Deploy to launch the tool. I set the username, and now Social Brain AI is live in Riff's ecosystem. You can copy, share, or open it at riff.works once deployment is complete. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Riff lets you build real business-ready AI tools at work in professional settings. You produce automations faster, smarter, and with guidance that guarantees success. No more brittle prototypes or products that never launch. With this tool, you can take an idea and turn it into a tool that actually creates outcomes and solves problems for your job right out of the box. If you've ever wanted to save time, work smarter, or finally launch an app that actually works, this is your chance. And here's the best part. Start building today, and you'll get your first 20 credits completely free. What's holding you back from building your own AI-powered tool? Sign up, launch your first app before November 1st, and you could win unlimited credits for all of 2025. Don't wait. Join Riff today and change the way you work. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.